Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 23rd, and this is my analysis for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Make sure you watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, gold made a big dump so far this week, as you can see, which is good. Gold has definitely been overdue for a correction. Now, this right here is almost definitely not just going to turn back up like that. I can almost guarantee that. So what we have here is we have our Fibonacci retracement on this whole move up right here. There's two options now. Either we are now making a correction to this wave up right here, which will probably turn into some sort of a three-wave pattern down to a Fibonacci level, and then it will end up continuing the uptrend, which I still think is pretty likely. Or possibly this is really the end of a wave three on the higher time frames. It definitely turned at an appropriate level for the end of a wave three. If it really is the end of a wave three, then this potentially would end up being a much steeper move to the downside, and it would probably eventually go down and break this low right here. So now that we definitely have a break to the downside, we don't really know whether it's going to turn into this impulsive move down or whether it's going to kind of stretch out into more of a corrective move like this. But now that we have a break of sorts into the downside, I would definitely recommend shorts. And hopefully, while you're looking for shorts, you can learn and earn at the same time whether this is an ABC correction or whether it's a 1, 2, 3 and it just maintains impulsive movement to the downside, eventually giving us a break of structure that I think would help confirm that it really is an end of a wave three all the way up to like the weekly time frame. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.